Hello everybody! Watch this video to find out how to free some space on a disk in macOS operating system.
Hello friends! If you need to recover deleted data, view or restore removed browsing history, Hetman Software Products will help you. Follow the link in the description, download the necessary program for free, install it and analyze the disk. The utility will show you the data you can recover, so you'll be able to view it or get it back. In our channel and blog, you will find solutions to any problem, from installing an operating system or configuring it to fixing possible bugs and errors or optimizing mobile gadgets. Our specialists will answer any questions you ask in your comments under the videos or articles.
The amount of free space on your Mac system drive may affect its performance a lot. Over time, it decreases and your computer starts to become sluggish. The point is that as long as your system drive is about 80% full, your Mac will slow down considerably. That is why it is important to know how to clean this drive and make your computer faster again. There are numbers of third-party utilities to clean unnecessary files automatically, but quite often they are commercial. In today's video, I'll show you how to find them and clean your Mac system drive manually. The first method to gain more disk space is to remove unnecessary files. Often users download big files from the internet, and over time they tend to forget about the files they don't use anymore. If this is your case, the first step should be to clean the Downloads folder. Here is how you search for big files. Use the search feature to find and remove files quickly. Open Finder and go to the Home folder. Shift-Command-H. Then press the key shortcut Command-F to open the search window. Click on the first drop-down list and choose Other. Then check the box next to File Size. In the next drop-down list, choose Is greater than, change the file size to 100 MB. Now select everything you don't need anymore and click Move to bin. In the same way, you can remove any files you have not used for a long time. Instead of searching for file size, choose Last Open Date. Now select Before and change the date to which was a year ago. Now delete the files you don't need. In the same way, you can clean the desktop. After everything was removed, empty the bin. Right-click on it and choose Empty bin. If you did Step 1 but didn't gain much space, check the storage data. Open System Settings, General, Storage. Looking at the categories, you can see what's taking up most space on your system drive. Documents. Here you can see the big files which take up the disk space, downloads and unsupported apps. From this menu, you can safely remove the stuff you don't need anymore. Just select a file and click Delete. Then confirm the action by clicking Delete one more time. To view a file, double-click on it to open it in Finder or click Show in Finder. To remove a file from Finder, right-click on it and choose Move to bin. To remove a file without using the bin, press the key shortcut Command-Alt-Delete. When files end up in the bin, they will still take up disk space, so the bin should be emptied regularly. To do it, right-click on the bin and select Empty bin. Be careful though. When it's emptied, all files in the bin will be erased and they can't be recovered unless you use a specialized software tool. Also, this menu shows you how much disk space is occupied by music, apps, iOS files, the operating system and its system data. To view a particular category, click on the I button. This is where you can decide which items you don't need so they can be removed to free up disk space. In addition, when the system drive is almost full, Apple will offer a few ways to save disk space. If there are any recommendations to reduce the used storage space, you will see them here under the histogram. These may include Store in iCloud, Optimize Storage, and Empty bin automatically. As you can see, system files can't be cleaned, but some part of unnecessary files, the so-called junk files, are just among system files though. Some users claim that such junk files can slow down a Mac, obsolete files, browser cache, app localizations, and old backups. Removing system junk files manually is a long process, since all files needed to be found first. All you can do manually is removing old Time Machine backups or clean browser cache in the settings. However, you can use a free utility, Clean My Mac X, to assist you. Download it from App Store to your Mac. Then go to the tab System Junk on the side panel. After you stop the scan, click Review Details to see what the app has found, and then hit Clean. If you don't feel like using any third-party apps, let's see how to clean various stuff manually. When you use Internet actively, the system drive gets filled with all kinds of temporary files. These include browsing history and links to websites you have visited. In your Safari browser, open Settings, go to the Advanced tab, and check the box next to Show Features for Web Developers. After that, go to Develop menu and choose Empty Caches. This is how you can remove unnecessary browser files and free up some disk space on your system drive. When unnecessary system files are gone, it's time to deal with media files. Users often keep various photos and videos on their Mac, which quickly fills the disk to the brim and creates a disk space problem. In this case, the best way out is to store them in iCloud or on an external drive. To move your photos to iCloud, open the main Apple menu, About this Mac, More info, Storage settings. Click Store in iCloud and choose what exactly should go there. After that, hit Store in iCloud one more time. The free iCloud plan lets you store up to 5 GB of data. If you have more stuff, you can keep it on a removable drive. To move files to an external storage device, open Finder, go Home. Let's select a folder, for example, Pictures, and copy it to your external drive. After that, you'll be able to remove it from your system drive to free disk space. Now, let's get back to system recommendations and optimize the storage. If you enable this option, it will prevent the disk from being clogged with junk files. When enabled, it will remove movies and TV shows that you have already watched. To get things started, hit Optimize in the storage settings. If you don't remember to empty the bin regularly, you can have it emptied automatically. When files are sent to the bin, they accumulate there, and unless you remove them from time to time, the total size can become immense. So, click Turn On to make sure that all items that have been in the bin for more than 30 days will be deleted automatically. One more method to free some disk space is to remove the apps you don't use and their files. To delete an app, open Finder, Applications, right-click on an item you want to delete, move to Bin, and it will be uninstalled. To have all disk space back, empty the bin. Some macOS apps have settings files which can exist in various locations across your Mac. In such cases, they can be cleaned with third-party utilities. If you store iPhone backups on your Mac, you can free some disk space by removing older items. Open Finder, go to Folder, and insert this path. After that, press Return. Now send the folders to the bin. One more method to gain more disk space is to compress files. Open Finder and go to the folder containing the files that can be compressed, for example, the documents. Now hold down the Command key and select the folder you need, then choose Compress. While you're doing that, the source folder is not affected, and as soon as the files are compressed into an archive, you can delete the source folder. When you're finished with that, this archive can be moved to an external drive or save even more disk space. One more way to clean the disk is to search for duplicate files. There are several reasons why so many duplicate files appear, this way or another, but they can occupy pretty much disk space. To find them quickly, you will have to use third-party apps. However, some files can be located manually. In the Photos app, duplicate images can be found easily. Open the app, find and select one by one the photos you want to remove, and then right-click on them, delete. Deleted photos will be moved to the folder with the name recently deleted. To remove the photos completely, go to the Photos folder, scroll down and select Recently deleted. And then click Delete all. You can also find duplicate files in your system by using the Smart Folders feature in Finder. Open the Finder app. In the menu, choose File, New Smart Folder. In the right upper corner, click on the plus button. Duplicate files will be displayed in the search by name mode. Review them and delete any duplicates. Also, you can find duplicate files with the help of the terminal. This method is quite effective, but some files can be skipped. Open the terminal. For illustration, let's scan the Downloads folder. Type this command. It makes the app go to the required directory, where it will search for duplicates. Then type this. As a result, a TXT file will be created and then saved to the same directory where we searched for duplicate files. Check the files for duplicates and remove them. If you lost some important data while cleaning the disk, a special data recovery tool, Hetman Partition Recovery, will be there for you. Use it to bring back any files accidentally deleted from your Mac. Summing up, now you know several effective ways to gain more free space on a Mac computer. Check for unnecessary files and remove them regularly. Clean the cache and old backups. And remember to use integrated macOS tools to optimize your storage. Taking a few simple steps to ensure there is enough free disk space will help your computer work faster and more efficiently. And that is all for now. I hope this video was useful. Remember to click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Leave your comments under this video. Thank you for watching and good luck!